my name is Hannah Smith, and today I'll be teaching you to make easy vegan mashed potatoes. These are the ingredients that you will be needing. You want to get the steam and mash by Ore-Ida for your potatoes, your vegan butter and vegan milk of choice, some garlic, some rosemary, oregano, garlic salt, pepper, thyme, garlic, onion powder, and Italian seasoning. You want to put them in the microwave for 10 minutes. Be careful when taking them out, they are very hot, so go ahead and take them out of the microwave and throw them in your pot. Once you do that, go ahead and cut them open while being careful because they are still super hot. And then go ahead and dump them into the pot of your choice. After this, go ahead and follow the directions with your almond milk of choice or dairy milk of choice. It's usually going to ask for about 2/3 of a cup. And then go ahead and pour it into the potatoes. After that, go ahead and add your butter of choice and begin to mash. You're going to want maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons of this butter so that is extra creamy. This may take a few minutes. It can get kind of hard to combine it all. Go ahead and add your garlic at this point. I'd say about 1 or 2 tablespoons, depending on how garlicky you'd like it. Go ahead and add your rosemary in. Then go ahead and add your oregano. After that, we're going to go ahead and add our garlic salt. This is acting as our salt today. Go ahead and add some thyme in there. And then some garlic powder because I feel like it gives a different flavor than the regular minced garlic itself. I like my potatoes extra garlicky. And then go ahead and add some onion powder as well in there. Why not? And then some Italian seasoning. And some black pepper. Go ahead and mash it all together to combine all the ingredients really well. This might make it a little dry, but that's okay. We can always fix this in the end by adding more milk or more butter to make it more creamy. After that, go ahead and taste them and see what you may need to add or if they need to be. Thank you for tuning in to watching how to make easy vegan mashed potatoes with me, Hannah Smith. Bye!